Today we are reviewing Cosori Air Fryer 6.8 quarts dual blaze with 360 thermal IQ tech, which uses the upper and lower heating elements. This air fryer helps to achieve faster cooking by start cooking your food right away without having to preheat. The dual heating elements, temperature controller, and smart thermal in the smart temperature algorithm work in tandem to proceed crispy yet juicy food. It has a number of functions for you to choose from when it comes to cooking, such as air fry, bake, broil, roast, keep warm, reheat, and you can choose to cook such food as chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and other frozen food. You can also customize with cooking function with your preferred time and temperature to suit your needs. With a large capacity, it can hold up to 17 chicken wings due to its 9.4 by 9.4 by 4.8 inch dimension, and its 6.8 quart capacity allows you to cook them evenly without having to stack the chicken wings. There is also smart notification feature included with this air fryer. The VSync app allows you to use the air fryer remotely, monitor the cooking progress, and activate voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless cooking. Additionally, you can choose to scan multiple types of frozen food and use VSync app to scan them for easy-to-follow cooking instructions. This was review for Cosori Air Fryer 6.8 quart dual blaze.